This is not a tweet. This is not a social media noise. This is a warning coming straight from inside the United States, and it involves Iran's most powerful man. Khamenei could be killed, and that too within a week. Those are not words from Tehran. They are not from Tel Aviv. They come from former US Ambassador Dan Shapiro, former US envoy to Israel, a man who sat at the highest diplomatic tables under President Barack Obama. And tonight, his words are shaking the entire capital. Let me tell you what he actually said here. He claims that US President Donald Trump may be, just maybe, preparing something dramatic here, something extreme. He suggests that Trump could consider assassinating Iran's Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, not months from now, not next year, within days. Let's dwell why this warning is coming now. Because the signals, they are piling up. First, there were Trump's word, the US president. He recently called Khamenei a sick man. He openly questioned Iran's leadership. He spoke about the need for new leader in Tehran. That language, it really matters. In diplomacy, words often come before the action. Second, Iran is on fire from within. Protests are spreading across Iranian cities, angers on the street, economic pain, political frustration. Well, the ex-ambassador believes that Trump may see this unrest as an opportunity, a moment of weakness, a chance to strike while the regime is distracted. Third, US military move. A US carrier strike group is expected to arrive in that particular region. Aircraft, warship, firepower. Officially, this is about deterrence. Unofficially, critics say that this looks like a preparation for something bigger here. So what's the theory? Well, according to him, any strike on Khamenei could be presented as support for Iranian protesters, a blow against dictatorship, a push for regime change. In other words, well, the message could be framed as we are helping the Iranian people now, but Sharipo, he issues a sharp warning. He says killing Khamenei would not bring freedom. It would not collapse the entire system in Iran. Instead, it could do the opposite. Here is the real danger. Iran's system does not depend on one man alone. If Khamenei is killed, power could shift to Revolutionary Guard. The military could tighten its grip. Iran could become more aggressive, not weaker. Shapiro warns that this could turn Iran into a more hardline, more dangerous state. And then there is regional fallout too. An assassination of sitting supreme leader, it would be unprecedented. The Middle East would explode diplomatically. Iran's allies, they could retaliate. Israel would be on high alert. US bases could become target. This would not stay limited. The White House has not confirmed any plan yet though. There is no official statement, there is no announcement, no admission. But in geopolitics, silence can be deliberate. And former diplomats do not speak like this without any reason. So, in the end, here's what we are looking at. This is a moment of extreme tension. A US president using aggressive language, a rival nation facing internal unrest, military assets moving in position. Each piece alone means little, but together they form a pattern. So here's the final question. Is this just speculation from a former official, or is the word standing on the edge of a decision that could change the Middle East forever? Because if even the idea of targeting Khamenei is being discussed, then the red line is already fading.